Hey, we're gonna be eating this gummy eyeball. If you want them, you could get them at Five Below. So, like I said, you could get these at Five Below, and I'm gonna eat one. So. It smells really yummy. It smells like strawberry. It's looking right at you. Seems like it's gonna taste yummy, so let's try it. Yes, let's go. Let's take a bite. That's good. This is real good.
Yes. Are you serious?
Last bite. .5 out of 10, I think. Actually, because how it looks, 8.5 out of 10.